Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix notification sound not working on iPhone after a iOS update. If you are using any iPhone and you have updated your iOS version, but you are facing the issue that your notification sound is not working, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So let's see some possible fixes to fix your issue. So the very first thing is that you have to open your settings here, and you just have to go for your sound settings here. Here's the sounds and haptics. Select that, and you have to make sure that you haven't enabled silent mode in your sound settings. And after that, here you'll get the volume for your ringtone and alerts. So you must have to maximize it. And once you have maximized your ringtone, you will get your ringtone as well. So after doing that, if you're still facing the same issues, you have to also make sure that you haven't enabled anything from here. It might be your do not disturb or your sleep mode or also your focus mode. So you must have to disable if you have enabled anything from here. And after doing that, go back. Or if you're facing the same issue with only one specific app, so you just have to open your apps and you just have to look for the specific app. Or you can also look at the setting in your notification settings. So go for notifications and you just have to locate your app here. For my in my case, I'm going to select Facebook from here. So you have to make sure that you have enabled all the settings for your specific apps and your notification settings. Then go back, and after that, if you're still facing the same issue only with only one or single app, you have to go for general section here, go for iPhone storage, and you just have to locate your app. Then tap on offload app again, and after that you have to tap on reinstall apps. It will completely reinstall the application on your iPhone. So if there will be any bug or any issue with your application, it will fix in this step, and after that you'll not get the same issue with the app. Or if you're facing the same issue with all over the system, you have to go for general here, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings from here, verify yourself, and after that you have to continue this step. It will reset only your setting, it will not delete your data. So you can easily try this, and after doing that your issue will be fixed. Or in some cases, if you are still facing the same issue, so it might be your software issue, you just have to go for general here, go for general setting, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't beta updates enabled in your software updates. Or if you find beta updates here, you just have to try to disable that, and after that get any official version on your iPhone. Or after that, if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to check your system hardware that your speaker is working as well in your iPhone. If you find any issue, you have to check them and reset it. So in this way, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.